So my mom has wanted a halo forever, so I got her one from Full Shine Hair, and we're gonna try it and put it in because she wants more hair. So they come like this, and they're all human hair, so you can curl them, straighten them, blow dry it, everything. And they're just very soft and thick and pretty. My roommate Kate had to jump in and help clip up the hair because she has a halo herself, so she's gonna help us. So you put the elastic part over the front of this, and then you can clip that in so it stays. So after you put the halo in, you just brush over it, and then they literally disappear. And it's so long. These are the 22-inch ones, so. But it's so easy because it's just one chunk of hair. You don't have to worry about putting a bunch in. All right, show us, Mom. Oh,
I love them.
That looks really good.
Oh my gosh,
And
they're
they're
perfect.
Yes, we love them.
Can't see it at all.
That looks super good. Okay, we're gonna link them. Bye.
Bye.